Thanks for tuning in today. Today we're gonna talk about red-bellied dace minnows. Oh, these things are so cool. Now this is a red-bellied dace minnow. You can see that it has a red. Dace in French is dowse, and dowse means to dart. So they like dart place to place. They can grow to 50 to 55 millimeters. And that's about 2 or 3 inches, or in centimeters, it's 5 centimeters, or 5.5 centimeters. They have red bellies when they're in the mating season, and their mating season is spring to summer, and they can breed about 4 times in a season. You are probably wondering how minnows get from one pond to another. When ducks come fly in, their eggs stick on the ducks fly somewhere else, and then when the duck is in the water, they detach, and then they go in, and then they're in another pond. Pretty cool, right? Now it's time to put them back in their little home. Thank you everybody for tuning in. If you like this video, press that like button and make sure to subscribe. Catch you guys later.